so I'm back with Claire, and we're just gonna go, I guess, well, you didn't tell me anything. I'm gonna grab my shoes, I guess. Wait.
I'll put your shoes on.
Alright. Wait, actually, I'll survive, I guess. I'll survive the rocks that are out here. Yeah, I guess.
Clint to empty his truck.
Oh yeah, you need to empty your truck, Clint. Empty your truck. No, it's weird.
Yeah, it feels weird. We need the whole space to ourselves.
No, not the whole space.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, we take those out.
No.
Take those out.
Let us have
Clint.
Travis, why don't you have shoes on?
Because I was.
Take it.
I'm about to say I will.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Are you gonna pull that up?
We're good.
No.
Oh no.
What are y'all getting underneath it?
Someone hold the MacBook while I get up on this truck.
Set it down. Don't step on top of that cord.
How do we get up here? I forgot.
Well, if you had shoes on, you
Actually, never mind. Never mind. Oh yeah, we're doing another hiding under Clint's truck series again.
You should do that.
Wait, actually, what are we doing? Standing or hiding?
Clint, before you go back and give me a picture in front of that.
Here, lift that up.
I guess we're doing a standing,
Yeah.
not a hiding.
Then I can move that.
What?
Here.
Oh, there we go. Wait, we need the other one for this one. It will break.
Here. Yeah, we need Clint. There. We only need this one to be up. No,
Yeah.
No, stop.
How do we do this?
Here, keep that.
Don't break it.
Here, that's all we need. So we can come out and stand. Hey, at least you have water.
Yeah. Warm water.
No. Yes, no, some shade.
Oh.
No, some shade. Do you not want shade, you idiot?
So here we are on the truck, and yeah.
The truck.
We don't have
What
a
the heck
portion.
is a truck? It's a truck.
Truck, yes.
No, not a truck. It's a truck.
Yes. So yeah.
What are you doing? Acting like a noob. Hey, barbarian, stop it. There's white paint and black paint all over my hands.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Who's that?
Who? Oh, you're talking to the camera?
No, there's a rat truck over there. That hair's in my face, which I didn't know was possible. Look at the baby cactus!
Is that yours?
Yep.
Which one?
Is it real?
Yeah.
City right here?
Yep. Yeah.
Clint!
Did it really hurt?
We just pulled it out for you.
Hey, Clint, can you help us put it
I told you it was real.
You gotta move the top.
We were getting pictures in front of
Yeah, there we go. This looks good. Okay, so we actually have the whole entire truck now. I mean, sorta. We kinda.
Hey, it's actually not that bad. I'm a chicken, crazy chicken. You know, play tag.
I guess.
We're not recording this.